Hot Wok Academy, I've got one goal. I want you to love cooking. But how can you love something you might not understand? You know, in our culture today, cooking has become something of a paradox. Here's how it goes. We love watching people cook. We love the excitement of it and the close-up shots of the food and the fire. But when it comes time to eat, what do? We walk out of our own kitchen and go to someone else's kitchen, and we pay for the food. It's time to get back into our own kitchen and start to cook. Cooking is a time to be creative. Cooking is a time to use your hands to produce something of value and nutrition and goodness to share with those that are in your community. Now, when I first started teaching as a chef at a local cooking school, I was asked to write a recipe, and I was already in my 40s, and it was the very first time I'd ever been asked to write a recipe. And you know what I felt? I felt a lot of shame. I didn't understand how to write a recipe because in all of my life, I never cooked with recipe. We want to get you to the place where you don't need a recipe to cook. So how do you get to the place where you can cook but not follow a recipe? And that place is a place of instinct. To learn by instinct what it means to cook. To understand how foods behave and what techniques to use and what tools to use to get the product that you are trying to produce. When we cook, we help people to come together and we help people to form community. And we need that more than ever these days. So get in the kitchen and start to cook. It's okay to mess up. Go ahead, oversalt it, boil it over, burn it. You're gonna be all right. So join us at Hot Wok Academy. We will be with you to help you learn not just how to cook, but how to love cooking.